It's pretty easy to find vintage Chevrolet metal that's been modified, tweaked, and morphed into anything from killer custom trophy winners to busted backyard travesties. But when it comes to how your classic Chevy feels and how you feel driving it, nothing quite compares to the way these cars rolled off the legendary assembly lines. And when it comes to some of the greatest muscle cars of all time, why fix what ain't broke? This stunning Chevelle hardtop wraps a hot L78 big block and a 4-speed manual in a quality restoration that manifests correct Parchment vinyl and correct LeMans Blue 2-stage. In the market for a top-notch, one-of-a-kind example of one of the best Chevrolets ever produced, you're looking at your next classic. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.